Okay. Over a month ago, I ordered what might actually be the perfect dress, and it arrived, and I've been putting off opening it, and I don't know why, but I'm gonna open it now. I was waiting for like a time when I had really pretty hair and pretty perfect makeup and everything. Blah. No, we're gonna open it. This was my reward for myself for booking a photo shoot and booking several paid gigs for this year. Oh my god, I just saw it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so I got this adorable, so pretty, pink capelet as well. God, oh my 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 god. This is Micheline Pitt, by the way. So this baby came to me from America. Oh, oh, oh. I'm losing my mind. Oh my god, and it's so long. Okay, right. We have to try these on, but I'm not trying them on without my mules, and my mules are downstairs. So, pause. Okay. I got them. We're gonna try the dress on. Okay, so, what more do I even have to say? Are you seeing this? She's a wiggle dress. Oh my god. It's so good. It's so pretty. Look at the back. And it's got like a slit. So I can walk this on stage. Astounding. I can actually walk in it, and the inside is really comfortable. I'm gonna try it with the cape. Like, diamonds are a girl's best friend in this dress. No one talks to me. People are always amused by how extravagantly excited I get about things. Why would you not? Like, how can I not be over the moon with this dress? Look at it! Ah! Oh my god, she's elegant. She's refined. And I'm wearing this to my photo shoot in April. Oh my god, are you kidding me? And then... But I prefer a man who lives and gives expensive jewels. A kiss on the hand, maybe quite continental. You can! So I'm over the moon with this dress, and I want to know what you think.